I was just sent this wide brimmed hat, but it's not just a hat. It actually has Bluetooth speakers in the side. This is such a comfortable, stretchy hat. You can fold it up. It comes with a little charging cord. Take it off here and I will show you some of the cool things about this. It's a cooling silk, so it's not gonna get as hot as traditional hats because of the way this material is, and it is super stretchy. It is a nice little design that you can fold up and take with you anywhere you wanna go. And it fits over your ponytail. So if you had a little ponytail, it would stick right out there. Cover up your ears to hear it. If you didn't want it right there, you can, of course, hold it over it. But I'll bring you in here close and we'll take a look at the hat. Here's your USB-C cord into USB. That way you will then just charge right into the back of your hat here. So on the inside of it, you've actually got your little speakers right here on the sides that you can kind of see poking through. And there's your other one. And over here is your actual music control. So you have your minus volume, your play pause, and then your up for your volume. And this material is super stretchy. It's got a nice little hem here in the back that can be moved, and it all folds around. Easy to travel with, really cute.